Na kumurikira boigo asensemeyo ya mangana matemo na KCPE ni geskuru ya Set Green ya rokana gokorabia asa matemo ya baka gosokari tukuria rero goetania abana emerongevere na bane ni gubanyara konyora goetania max chiminye kuru ase skuru yo ase banyora emin grade ya max chimista to emerongo kianda na tano na tato kolenga no botene bwe skuru yo ni go batebire buna babeire bagokoribia maiga yo mwana motanga ni kuru ase skuru yo konyora max chiminye na 15 nilimo.
The school is Set Green Hill Academy, located in Kisii County. We have just received our results for 2021 KCPE, and our school has emerged to be the best in the Nyanza region with a mean score of 398. 24 candidates have scored 400 and above, the highest with 416. I understand that we have come from far with this class. We have ups and downs, but we thank God, Almighty God, for what He has given us. And we want to appreciate our parents and even our director for all the things that he has offered with. This is the reason why we have come up with these good results. We want to appreciate you, and we want to tell you guys, bring the children, come one, come all. These are good school. These are good school with a new records. We said new records. We don't even sometimes rely on the previous one. This year we have recorded an improvement, a positive deviation of plus 10.5. Last year we had a mean score of 385. This year we have a mean score of 398.8, and we want to appreciate God. Thank you.